guys, thanks for coming to check out another wig review. So this wig is brought to you by Eayon Eayon Hair, and this is their pre-plucked Brazilian ombre 1B30 bob in a 13 by 6 lace frontal, and it's in their loose deep wave, and this wig goes for $101. So this wig comes pre-colored, and I went ahead and bleached the knots, although the knots already come bleached and plucked. But I did pluck some more hair away from the frontal, and I also bleached the knots as well. But this definitely is a step that you can skip because this hair comes ready to go. I just wanted to do a little extra this time. Now for laying the frontal down, on this side I decided to do a different technique where I lay the lace on my head and then I add the gel on top, the Got2b gel and the hairspray. Normally I would add the gel and the hairspray onto my own skin, not onto the frontal, but I just wanted to try it this time to see how it went. And I mean, it was different. It was fine. I think if I was to do this technique again though, I wouldn't use the gel in the yellow bottle. I would use the gel in the black bottle because it dries a lot clearer and a lot shinier, whereas the white one sometimes dries a little crusty. So I used my GLEEmade baby hair scarf to go ahead and let the lace frontal dry. Then I went ahead and grabbed some baby hairs, and I just used my Style Factor Edge Control to lay the baby hairs down. I really love this unit, you guys. It's really pretty, it's easy to work with, very effortless, and I love the color for the fall. I'm definitely into warm tones in the fall. I typically wear longer hair in the fall, but I think this hair is really pretty as well. So now you're just gonna watch me style the unit. I ended up using my large wand curler, and yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking. If you guys have questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and I'm going to come back after I style the hair. Okay, you guys, so just to finish up, I just wanted to let you guys know this hair is really beautiful. I've worked with Eayon Hair so many times in the past. Their wigs are really great quality, super soft, they curl easily. You see how well this curls. They're so bouncy, lightweight, and fluffy. As long as you just do a good co-wash, condition them, and keep them moisturized, they will last you a good long minute. So definitely head over to Eayon Hair and check out everything they have to offer. You can click the link in the description box down below to check out this unit and more of the wigs that they have, and you can click the playlist that says Eayon Hair on my channel, and you'll see all the units that I've reviewed from Eayon Hair in the past. If you guys have questions about this unit or anything else in the video that I didn't explain, please leave a comment down below and I'll definitely get back to you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me, and make sure you're liking and sharing these videos. It really helps me out. Alright you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.